probably the most iconic houseplant that's ever been grown by any gardener has to be the Venus flytrap. I absolutely love it. I've loved it since I was a child, and I've always found Venus flytraps, and in fact most carnivorous plants generally, but Venus flytraps in particular, I've always found to be absolutely captivating because it's almost like the thrill of a plant that behaves a little bit like it's a human. And the great thing about these in the home environment, in your conservatory or on a windowsill or whatever, and they do have to be indoors in the UK, but the great thing about these, they do have a genuine practical benefit, which is they will literally catch flies. And if you look in the middle of each of these clumps, you'll notice that there's little trigger hairs that are really fine. In fact, you can barely see them, they're so fine. And of course, that's part of the mystery because the fly, when it goes bzzz, and it thinks it's going in there, it's going to find something to eat. And the colour of the inside is basically created by nature to look attractive and appealing to flies to go in there. But as soon as they do, the little trap will trigger like that. So, it's got my leg, it's got my leg. So literally the fly would be inside. Now at that point, and I was a bit naughty doing that, I shouldn't have done it because that trap now, that fly trap, is thinking, right, I've got a fly, I'm now going to produce the juices that are going to digest that fly and feed the plant. But of course in this case, there is no fly in there, so the poor thing's going to waste its energy. So you don't want to do that too many times, but certainly I find it fascinating every single time. And that was a quick one, that went wallop like that. So they really are absolutely gorgeous. Now, if you've got children that are, youngish or just inquisitive, or if you've got grandchildren, this is a great addition to your plant collection. And actually, why not even think about this as a gift? Because any child would find this, I think, the most fascinating plant of any in the plant kingdom virtually to have. So the Venus flytrap, probably the most interesting and iconic of all houseplants ever grown. This can be yours, and this is a great size, great quality, and is going to last you years and years and years. The only thing you've got to do, keep it in a shallow saucer of water, keep it in a slightly shady spot. They don't like to be too much into the direct sun, and just watch it grow, and it will really reward you and provide you the practical benefit of catching the odd fly.